If you've given up on having health insurance because you think you can't afford it or you've been turned down, here's good news. Now with just one call to Health Gap Direct, you can get the health insurance you deserve, all for a price you can afford, with plans starting at less than $2 a day. This is not a discount plan. You'll get real health insurance for less than the price of a cup of coffee. Health Gap Direct offers plans with limited coverage for doctor visits, hospital stays, labs, x-rays, emergencies, and even surgeries, with the freedom to choose your own doctors and hospitals. Your plan can also include dental, vision, hearing, and prescription coverage. Call Health Gap Direct today so you can have 24-hour access to doctors whenever you need them. One call, and within minutes, you'll receive a free quote. And if you call now, enrollment is free. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain with plans starting for less than what you might pay for a cup of coffee. Call us now for a free quote at 888-465-0190. That's 888-465-0190. Call now.